Most creators tell you that grants are easy, money is flowing, and everybody is getting approved. That is not true. Grants are not as easy as they seem. Yes, they are free money. Yes, you don't have to pay it back, but you need to learn the step by step strategy that actually makes a grant win. By the end of this video, you will learn my step by step strategy, three grants that I applied for, the ones that I won, the one that I didn't win, why I won and why I didn't win, so you can go and apply my secret cheat code today. So let's go.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello, everybody. My name is Idaya, and I am a business coach. I help everyday people turn their skill sets into income producing assets so they can lay on their back and make money in their sleep. I also have a modest fashion clothing brand. I'm wearing it right now. And you might be seeing it rolling on your screen. It's called Cover Me Cute. Now, Cover Me Cute is not for everybody. It's for that fashion girly that wants to live an easy life, that wants to be able to open that closet and always find something to wear easily because she has multiple sets so she doesn't have to overthink it. So if you're that girl that loves ease, that loves comfort, you're a tall girl, you're a plus size girl, and you love colors, you are in the right place. Go ahead and go to covermecute.com. And Cover Me Cute is the reason why I actually mastered how to win grants. Okay? So before I show you all the results, the number one thing that you should really dig deep into is, why are you applying for the grants? Some people just hear there's free money and then they go ahead and they apply for the grants. That's not how it works. You already have to have a need. First of all, just in case you don't know what a grant is, it means free money that you get to invest. People get to invest in you that you never have to pay back. So I applied for three grants, right? Three of them. I've applied for multiple. I've won multiple and I've failed multiple. But the three grants that I want to use for my example today, the first example is the grant that I won, right? Let me tell you about the $1,000 grant, one of the very first grants that I ever won in my life. I got a friend, right, a mentor, to send me the link. And what I did, the first thing that I did was went to their site and read what they are about. I read what they stand for step by step. I wasn't in a hurry. Why? Because I already applied for a lot of grants in the past that I didn't win. So I was determined that I was going to win grants because I don't like debt. Like, I'm too African to be in debt. Like, I'm so used to buying things, paying for it on the spot. I just don't, it doesn't sit right with me, right? So when I applied for this grant, before I put in the application, I studied the people that were giving the application. They were given application for you to be able to recycle and repurpose things around you to save the earth. It was a $1,000 business grant. So what did I do? I thought about, what is the thing that I need for my business? Back then, I needed a recycling can that I could put scraps of fabric in. So when they come for pickup, everything is in one place. And that's exactly what I asked. I asked for two cans, one that can be a recycle and one that can be a trash can, so I can separate my recycle from trash. Because I know for a fact that scrap fabric can also be used for something else, right? I included the story of how I create styles that save fabric so I don't have too many scrap fabric left. I included my story of how I um, use my business to empower other women by buying sewing machines for them back home so they can start their businesses as well. Like, I didn't make it just about me. I didn't make it just about my business profit. I made it about impact. And the moment you know what impact you are giving to your audience and you can articulate that in words, in writing, you're going to start winning grants. And before a couple of days after, before I knew it, they said I got approved. As a matter of fact, they sent me the first check and I couldn't receive it because they sent it to the wrong address. And they resent me another check, and I received, I wish I could show you, it's in my drawer. I received my first $1,000 business grant check that I never have to pay back. Okay? So the grant that I didn't win. Now, one of the grants that I didn't win was a grant that has to do with a pitch competition. So majority of grants that are usually over 5,000, they will ask you to come in person or online to talk about what you said in your application in 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes max. They usually don't give you a lot of minutes because if you really know what you're saying, you don't need time to say it. So I believe that the reason why I didn't win that grant was because my impact wasn't local. So for the person that won the grant, that won the $10,000, even though I still took 35,000 home, $3,500 home, it's because her impact was more powerful to the local community, and the program was designed to impact. That program was actually called Impact, to impact the local community. This is why I say you have to study the people that are giving you the grant, why they started, and if it aligns with what you are doing, right? I have a grant that I'm still waiting for right now, and it's called Scale Ready. And if I go through this program, because some grants, they don't just give you money, they actually give you resources. If I go through this program, if I get accepted for this program, I'm going to get $5,000 in grant funding. Now, the $5,000 is not going to be here goes 5,000. It's going to be, what do you need with your business? We're going to help you pay for it now. So right now, I believe that I need operations manager. I feel like my operations are skill scattered. I want it to be in such a way that if I want to sell my business in the next 12 months, I have everything in place to exit. So I would use that funding to pay for a operations manager, and also to pay for a in-person on call video and photographer. So because I'm now, it's after COVID. We all need to get used to going outside and meeting real people. And I want to be going to networking events. I'm going to be having speaking engagements. I want to be able to take my videographer and my camera photographer with me so I can get quality content, because content equals to cash. If you're thinking, why is my social media not growing? Why am I not getting good feedback from my business applications, my grant applications? Sometimes it's the content that is on your page. It looks unserious. It looks like you're running it from your bedroom. It looks like you're running it from your basement, which I am, but it shouldn't look like it. Your content should represent the people and not you. It should represent your consumers, the people that you want to stop the scroll. If I go to your page right now, right? If you're selling luxurious content, luxurious items, will Michelle Obama, will she stop on your page and watch? If the answer is no, then you need to go watch. You need to go better your content. And these people look at everything. The moment they know your business name, they're putting your business name inside Google, and they're looking at everything around your business. But at this point, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you hit the like button? What is the biggest take home that you're taking away from this class today? If you haven't, go ahead and hit the subscription, and make sure you're hitting the reminder bell, because I drop 3 videos every week on this channel. This channel is actually a village, so you need to become a village member by subscribing. We do 2 things in this village. We learn how to make money, get free money, and we build legacy. So if you're that parent that is looking to leave a impactful legacy for your child, you should be sharing this, not just keeping it to yourself, right? Now, I got multiple in the past, right? But for my example today, I got 1 grant. I got denied 1 grant, and I'm still waiting on 1 grant. It's not always going to work in your favor. I put together the way that I used to win over $60,000 free money back to back after I have lost so much. I put it together in my grant winning cheat code. And if you want to grab it, which I highly recommend if you need funding for your business, I'm going to leave the link below. You don't want to miss my next video, right? Because in my next video, we are going to be talking about, and I'm going to be showing you how to write a grant application that actually gets approved with real templates that I use myself. After everything I just told you, you will know exactly how to do it. So make sure you join me in my next video. But until then, I love you all for the sake of Allah, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Let's go. Salam.